chess is more than just a game. It's a battle of minds, a test of strategy, and a tradition that has been passed down through generations. But beyond the game itself, the chessboard is a work of art. A well-crafted chessboard can elevate the playing experience, turning a simple game into a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. While standard chessboards follow a simple square grid of alternating light and dark squares, wooden chessboards offer an incredible range of creative possibilities. From hand-carved details to three-dimensional designs, from exotic wood combinations to futuristic modern styles, there are endless ways to make a chessboard unique. In this video, we will explore some of the most unique wooden chessboard ideas that blend function with creativity. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast looking for inspiration, a chess lover searching for a one-of-a-kind board, or simply someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the world of unique wooden chessboards and discover how innovation and artistry can transform this classic game. The beauty of wooden chessboards. Before we look at specific designs, let's talk about why wooden chessboards are special. First, wood has a warmth and character that no other material can replicate. The natural grain patterns, the texture, and the rich color variations give each board a unique identity. Second, wooden chessboards are durable. With proper care, a high-quality wooden chessboard can last a lifetime, aging beautifully over time. And finally, wood offers endless customization options. From the type of wood used to intricate carvings, inlays, and even three-dimensional designs, wooden chessboards allow for unlimited creativity. Now, let's explore some of the most unique wooden chessboard ideas you can create. 1. Hand-carved chessboards, adding personality to every square. One of the most artistic ways to make a wooden chessboard stand out is through hand carving. Imagine a board where each square features intricate designs, perhaps medieval-inspired patterns, Celtic knots, or nature-themed engravings. Some chessboards feature carved borders with patterns that complement the game's rich history. Others take it a step further, with textured squares that add depth to the board, making every move feel even more significant. A popular idea is carving a story into the board, perhaps depicting famous chess battles or legendary moments in chess history within the design. Hand-carved chessboards are not just playing surfaces. They are works of art that showcase the craftsmanship and skill of the maker. 2. 3D layered chessboards, a new dimension of play. Who says a chessboard has to be flat? Three-dimensional layered chessboards add depth and intrigue to the game. A board made from multiple layers of wood can create a stepped or wave-like effect, giving the surface an organic, sculptural quality. Some designs incorporate floating squares, where each square is slightly raised or recessed, creating an optical illusion. Another creative approach is using curved edges to give the chessboard a flowing, dynamic look, as if the board itself is alive. A 3D chessboard not only looks visually stunning, but also adds a whole new level of sensory engagement to the game. 3. Exotic wood combinations, playing with color and texture. The type of wood used can completely change the character of a chessboard. Traditional boards use maple and walnut, but why not experiment with exotic woods? A chessboard made from zebrawood, and which creates a striking contrast. Rosewood and ebony provide a luxurious, deep-toned aesthetic. Mixing woods with different grains can add an organic, natural pattern to the board, making it look like a piece of fine furniture. By carefully selecting wood types, you can create a board that is not only functional, but also a true showcase of nature's beauty. 4. Chessboards with hidden storage and drawers. Practicality meets creativity with chessboards that have built-in storage. Imagine a board with hidden drawers that hold the chess pieces securely when not in use. Some designs feature slide-out compartments, keeping the pieces neatly organized. Others take inspiration from antique furniture, with secret compartments that add an element of surprise. This approach is perfect for those who appreciate functionality along with craftsmanship. 5. Puzzle-style chessboards, a board you assemble yourself. Taking creativity one step further, some chessboards are designed as puzzles. Each square is a separate wooden tile that fits together like a jigsaw puzzle. Some boards even allow customization, where players can swap out different tiles to create their own unique board. This adds an extra challenge before the game even begins. First, you build the board, then you play. Puzzle-style chessboards bring an interactive and fun element to the game, making them perfect for those who love both chess and brain-teasing challenges. 6. Magnetic and floating chessboards, a futuristic twist. Modern technology meets traditional craftsmanship in magnetic and floating chessboards. Some wooden chessboards use embedded magnets, allowing for seamless piece movement and even vertical wall-mounted play. Others use a floating design, where each square is slightly elevated with hidden supports, creating a visually stunning effect. Advanced versions integrate LED lighting, where pieces light up as they move, adding a high-tech touch to a wooden classic. These chessboards are perfect for those who want something truly out of the ordinary. 7. Rotating and multi-layer chessboards for ultimate strategy. For those who love innovation, a rotating chessboard adds a whole new dynamic to the game. Some boards have a built-in rotating mechanism, allowing for easy opponent switching in multiplayer games. Others feature multiple layers, where different levels can be used for unique game variations, similar to 3D chess seen in sci-fi films. These designs challenge traditional gameplay and open up new possibilities for creative strategies. The chessboard has a legacy of craftsmanship and thought. A wooden chessboard is more than a game. It's a legacy, a symbol of patience, intellect, and artistry, woven into a single piece of craftsmanship. Every board, whether it is meticulously hand-carved with delicate filigree, layered into a striking 3D formation, or crafted from rare and exotic woods, tells a story. It is a story of human ingenuity, tradition, and the timeless battle of minds that unfolds upon its surface. A chessboard does not simply exist as an object. It holds within it the echoes of countless matches, the weight of strategic decisions, and the silent reflections of those who have played upon it. Each move, every pawn advanced, every knight's leap, every queen's sacrifice, imprints itself into the memory of the player. And if the board could speak, it would tell the tale of the minds that have dueled upon it. But beyond the game, beyond the competition and calculation, a beautifully designed wooden chessboard transforms into something far greater. It is a personal artifact, a handcrafted treasure, something that carries the warmth of its creator and the passion of the players who gather around it. Unlike plastic or machine-made boards, a wooden chessboard changes over time. It absorbs history, gaining character with every passing year. The fine scratches that develop, the softened edges, the way the pieces slide more smoothly over the squares, all of this is a testament to the countless hours spent in thought, in strategy, in enjoyment. There is something profoundly different about sitting before a board that has been shaped by skilled hands rather than mass-produced in a factory. It carries the mark of patience, of focus, of human touch. A wooden chessboard, especially one crafted with personal intention and unique design, becomes something that is not only played upon but lived with. It is a presence in a home, an heirloom to be passed down, a memory carved into wood, waiting to be shared with future generations. More than a game, more than a board, a symbol of time and thought. In the end, chess is not just a game. It is a language of the mind, a way to sharpen our intellect, test our patience, and refine our ability to anticipate the future. And a chessboard is not just a surface to play upon. It is the stage where our thoughts materialize, where we wage battles that exist only in the realm of strategy and foresight. A unique wooden chessboard, unlike any other, stands as a monument to this intellectual battlefield. It is a fusion of craftsmanship and purpose, where human creativity meets logic and discipline. It is not just a collection of 64 squares, but a foundation upon which stories are built. Stories of intense rivalry, of noble sacrifices, of hard-earned victories, and humbling defeats. For those who create these boards, the process is a reflection of the game itself. It takes patience, precision, and vision. It requires careful planning, a steady hand, and a deep appreciation for detail. Every cut, every polish, every decision in its creation mirrors the deliberate choices a chess player must make, methodical, strategic, and meaningful. And for those who own such a chessboard, it is more than an object. It is an experience. Every match played upon it holds a certain weight, a level of respect for the game and for the artistry of the board itself. It is a reminder that beauty and intellect can exist in harmony, that tradition and innovation can merge seamlessly, and that something as simple as a board can become a lifelong companion in learning and growth. Owning or creating a unique wooden chessboard is not just about aesthetics or craftsmanship. It is about carrying forward a tradition of thoughtfulness, of problem-solving, of appreciation for detail. It is about valuing things that are built with care and designed with purpose. So the next time you sit before a chessboard, take a moment to appreciate not just the game, but the artistry beneath it. Consider the hands that shaped the board, the minds that have played upon it, and the history that will continue to be written upon its squares. Because a chessboard is not just a tool, it is a legacy, a work of art, and a symbol of the timeless human pursuit of mastery. And if you haven't yet found the perfect chessboard, perhaps it is time to create one that will tell your story for generations to come.